Shipping dangerous goods by air is one of the most strictly regulated processes in global logistics. Because air transport involves high risk, limited space, and safety concerns, dangerous goods, also known as DG, must follow very specific rules and procedures. So how exactly can you send dangerous goods by air? What steps are required? What documents are needed? And what mistakes must be avoided? In this video, we'll explain the complete process of shipping dangerous goods by air in a clear and simple way. What are dangerous goods in air freight? Dangerous goods are articles or substances capable of posing a risk to health, safety, property, or the environment during transportation. In air freight, dangerous goods are regulated by the IATA Dangerous Goods Regulations, also known as IATA-DG. Examples of dangerous goods commonly shipped by air include lithium batteries, chemicals and solvents, paints and adhesives, perfumes and aerosols, medical and pharmaceutical substances, flammable liquids and gases. Any shipment classified as dangerous goods must fully comply with IATA regulations before it can be accepted by an airline. Step 1. Identify and classify the dangerous goods. The first and most important step is classification. Every dangerous goods shipment must be correctly classified into one of the 9 DG classes, such as Class 3, flammable liquids, Class 4, flammable solids, Class 6, toxic substances, Class 8, corrosives, Class 9, miscellaneous dangerous goods, including lithium batteries. Incorrect classification is one of the most common and dangerous mistakes in DG shipping. Step 2. Check if the goods are allowed by air. Not all dangerous goods are allowed on aircraft. Some goods are fully forbidden, allowed only on cargo aircraft, allowed on both passenger and cargo aircraft under strict limits. This information is clearly stated in the IATA Dangerous Goods Regulations. Before shipping, you must confirm whether your DG can be transported by air and under what conditions. Step 3. Use approved packaging. Packaging is critical in air transport. Dangerous goods must be packed using UN-approved packaging, designed and tested to withstand pressure, vibration, and impact during flight. Packaging must meet IATA packing instructions, quantity limits per package, inner and outer packaging requirements. Using incorrect or non-certified packaging will result in shipment rejection. Step 4. Proper labeling and marking. Every DG shipment must be clearly labeled and marked. This includes hazard labels, handling labels, UN number, proper shipping name, orientation arrows if required. These labels allow airlines, handlers, and emergency responders to identify the risks instantly. Step 5. Prepare mandatory documentation. Documentation is mandatory for air DG shipments. The most important document is the shipper's declaration for dangerous goods, which must be completed accurately and signed by a trained person. Other required documents include airway bill with correct DG notation, commercial invoice, packing list, MSDS or SDS, material safety data sheet. When required, even a small documentation error can cause delays or rejection. Step 6. DG trained personnel only. Dangerous goods can only be prepared and declared by IATA-certified DG trained staff. Training is mandatory for shippers, freight forwarders, warehouse operators, airlines, and ground handlers. Without valid DG training certification, you are legally not allowed to ship dangerous goods by air. Step 7. Airline acceptance check. Before loading, airlines perform a strict dangerous goods acceptance check. They verify packaging compliance, labeling accuracy, documentation completeness, quantity limits, aircraft type approval. Only after passing this inspection will the shipment be accepted for air transport. Common mistakes to avoid. Some of the most common DG air shipping mistakes include incorrect DA classification, missing or wrong labels, incomplete shipper's declaration, using non-approved packaging, not declaring DG properly, shipping DG without valid training. These mistakes can lead to fines, delays, cargo rejection, or serious safety incidents. Final advice: work with DG specialists. Shipping dangerous goods by air is complex but safe and efficient when done correctly. The best solution is to work with a certified freight forwarder experienced in air dangerous goods handling. They ensure compliance with IATA regulations, proper documentation, and safe delivery of your shipment. Never attempt to ship dangerous goods by air without expert support. In conclusion, shipping dangerous goods by air is a complex process that requires experience, technical knowledge, and strict compliance with international regulations. That is why working with the right logistics partner is critical. At Huanglong Logistics Service and Trading Investment Company, Limited, Huanglong Ltd, we specialize in dangerous goods air freight handling, with nearly 20 years of hands-on experience in managing high-risk shipments safely and efficiently. Over the years, we have successfully handled a wide range of dangerous goods, including industrial and specialty chemicals, lithium batteries and battery-powered machinery, equipment containing built-in batteries, flammable, corrosive, and regulated substances. Our operations fully comply with IATA dangerous goods regulations, and our team consists of certified DG professionals trained and qualified to prepare, pack, declare, and coordinate dangerous goods shipments by air. We are proud to hold internationally recognized certifications such as IATA Dangerous Goods Certification, FIATA Certification, ISO, Quality Management Standards, and other industry-required approvals. These certifications are not just documents. They represent our commitment to safety, compliance, and professional excellence. If you are looking for a trusted partner to handle your dangerous goods shipments by air, safely, legally, and on time, Huanglong Ltd is ready to support you. Contact us today to discuss your dangerous goods shipping needs and receive professional consultation from experienced specialists. Thank you for watching.